Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser water line in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove the drip tray. Then use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws, securing the front dispenser panel. Slide the panel up to detach. Then disconnect the wire connector. Using the Phillips-head screwdriver or a number 2 square drive bit, unthread the 3 screws securing the module. Slide out the dispenser water line and disconnect the wire connector to move the module out of the way. Next, detach the lower grill and use a 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the water line from the coupler. Cut the tape securing the water line spring and slide the spring off. You can now fully remove the old line. Install the new dispenser water line by feeding it through the bottom of the freezer door until it appears in the dispenser housing. Position the spring approximately 2 inches from the end of the line. Then use tape to secure the spring. Now insert the end of the dispenser water line through the hole in the module. Connect the wire connector and fully reposition the module. Thread the screws to secure. Reinstall the front panel by first connecting the wire connector. Align the tabs with the slots in the door and slide down. Rethread the lower screws. Replace the drip tray. Insert the end of the water line into the coupler until fully seated. Realign the grill and snap it into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.